How to live from the end by living in the now. Hello, beautiful soul. Welcome back to my channel. This is Priya, your manifestation coach. And in this video, I'm going to shine some light on how to master living from the end by mastering your now moment. But first, if you would like to get coached by me, you can get access to any of my offerings by simply clicking the link below in the description box. Okay, let's get back to this video. How to master living from the end. So, living from the end simply means that in your consciousness, you are identifying as the version of you that already has your manifestation. It doesn't matter what you're manifesting, whether that is a relationship with your SP, a new relationship, the car, the house, the money, the better health, doesn't really matter. It's all the same thing. When you consistently identify as the version of you that already has your manifestation, that's already in the dream relationship or has the money, as you consistently do this in the now moment steadily, reality will shift to reflect back to you your new identity. Now, the reason why I made this video is because in the comment section, there's been a lot of comments about, Priya, I don't know what I'm doing wrong. I've really been living from the end, but I don't have my manifestation yet. Why is this? And here's the thing that you want to remember. The key to mastering living from the end is to master the now moment. So don't think about next week or next month when it comes to your manifestation. The only thing that should concern you is, who am I being right now? Who am I identifying as right now? Because the only thing that exists is the now moment. Your power lies in the now. There is no past and there is no future. So in the now, are you using the now moment to think about all the unideal things that happened in the past? In which case you're using the now moment to select that version of reality. Remember, creation is already finished. You're never creating anything. You're simply selecting different versions of reality. So in the now, when you're thinking, oh my gosh, I can't believe when this happened, when my boss said this, or when SP did this, you're using the now moment to select that version of reality. Now, in the same way, you can be using the now moment to select the new version of reality, the new preferred ideal version of reality that you desire. You can use a now moment to say, oh my gosh, I'm in a happy, loving relationship with my SP or with the love of my life. I'm in my dream job. I have X amount in my bank account. So the message is that the now moment is where your power lies. The now moment is when you're always selecting and choosing the version of reality that you're next going to experience. The now moment is you deciding and choosing who you are going to identify as. Remember, your subconscious mind doesn't care what you were thinking a month ago, 2 weeks ago, yesterday, 5 minutes ago, or even 5 seconds ago. The only thing that your subconscious mind cares about is, who are you choosing to be right now? Who are you choosing to be right now? So to successfully live from the end, your job is to consistently choose to be the version of you that has your manifestation in the now. Now, this can look like a myriad of ways. Number one, you can do this simply through affirmations. That's you thinking from the end. You know, I have X amount in my bank account. I'm in a happy, committed relationship with my SP. Or you can visualize if you're somebody that likes to visualize. Or you can feel it real if you're somebody that likes to feel. Or you can just go on with your day being present and fully engaged and immersed with what you're doing. You can be fully engaged with your family and friends, fully engaged with that email, fully engaged and present with that hike or with that walk. When you are present, you are living as if your manifestation is done, because when you're present, you're living from a place of fulfillment in terms of your state of being. You're not thinking against yourself. You're not wavering. So even that is a form of you living from the end. You don't have to be thinking about your manifestation. You just got to not be thinking against it, not wavering. And that's the practice. So there are so many ways by which you can choose to identify as the version of you that has your manifestation. You can Walk through your day as if your manifestation is done by being present. You can do visualizations, you can affirm, you can even sit down and have sessions where you have 10 or 15 minutes of a visualization session or affirming session. It really doesn't matter. But either way, you're mastering the now moment. You're using the now moment to identify as the version of you that has your manifestation. So I'm going to repeat this because this is the most important message. The only thing that you have to master is the now. As you keep mastering each now moment, you are going to see how your state of being shifts, how you suddenly begin to get into a place of knowingness that your manifestation is done. And because you are now the new identity that says my manifestation is done, I know it, reality will reflect this back to you. But it begins with you first identifying as the version of you that has your manifestation. And this is accomplished by you mastering how to live in the now. So living from the end is all about living from the now. So you can either use the now moment to say, why isn't it here yet? What am I doing wrong? In which case you're in a state of lack and all you want to do is self-correct and remind yourself, my only job is to master the now and to remind myself that I already have it. You can do that through an affirmation, through a visual, really doesn't matter. But in the now, you're mastering the now by fulfilling yourself from within, by reminding yourself that you already have your manifestation. You continue to choose to identify as the version of you that already has your manifestation. And you want to go all in with this. You want to fully commit to this. Nothing changes until you shift your state of consciousness. Remember how reality creation works. Reality will reflect back to you your identity, who you are being. Therefore, until there has been a shift in your consciousness, true transformation, like a radical shift in your consciousness where you truly identify as the version of you that has your manifestation, or you just walk around knowing it's done because you're living from I am. But either way, until there is a true shift in your consciousness, your 3D reality cannot change. Only when there is a shift in your consciousness where you identifying as the version of you that has your manifestation, will reality then mirror this back to you or reflect this back to you. This is when you'll experience your manifestation. So the key to living from the end is to master how to live in the now as the version of you that has your manifestation. This doesn't mean that you have to be affirming 24/7 or visualizing 24/7. Remember, when you're present and you are engaged with life and fully immersed in the activity that you're doing, this is you living in the end, because when you're present, you are living from a place of fulfillment in terms of your state of being. So that is also one way by which you are living in the end. So you don't always have to be thinking about your manifestation. You can be getting on with your life and moving through your day as if it's already done, and at the same time self-correcting any negative thoughts that say you are not the version of you that has your manifestation. You can visualize, you can affirm, you can script, anything that helps you to identify as the version of you that has your manifestation. So I hope this video has helped shine some light on how to truly live from the end. Living from the end is about mastering how to live in the now. Remember that the only thing that exists is the now. The past doesn't exist, the future doesn't exist. So who are you choosing to identify as in the now? Every now moment is an opportunity for you to choose again. Who am I choosing to be right now? Am I choosing to be the version of me that has my manifestation, that is with my SP, that is in my dream relationship, that has the money, that has the ideal health? Or am I choosing to be that version of me that doesn't have it? Where is my manifestation? Why isn't it here yet? When will it be here? Right? You are selecting that version of reality. So the idea is you want to catch yourself. Don't judge yourself if you are thinking against or if you're wavering. It's all normal, right? That's just the old state of consciousness. But your job is to redirect that back to the alpha. It is to self-correct those wavering thoughts back to the end. Keep choosing over and over and over again to identify as the version of you that has your manifestation. Remember, don't focus on time. Focus on mastering the now moment. When you do this, you will see how fast things will shift, because when your focus becomes about Who am I choosing to be right now? Let me just master this moment. All the now moments add up very quickly and the momentum kicks in, and you will see how things shift to reflect back to your mastery of the now moment. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for being here. I love you. I appreciate you. Have a wonderful day or a wonderful evening. Mwah.